You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this tree. Yes, it's of course a tree, the symbol of Canada, and they get a syrup from it, and it's pronounced not maple. I've heard people say maple. No, it's never pronounced maple, but rather simply maple. Yes, if you want to learn food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Maple, as in maple syrup, or maple tree, maple leaves, maple. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.